How to navigate the Sony Sound Connect app. Sony Sound Connect app allows you to personalize the sound and customize the settings available when using compatible Sony headphones on your mobile device. Step 1. Download and install. Search for Sony Sound Connect app in Google Play or Apple App Store. You can also scan this QR code using your mobile device. Note that this app is for Android smartphones or iPhones only. It is not compatible with computers. After installation, start the Sony Sound Connect app. Select your country of residence and read the End License Agreement. To proceed, click on the checkbox below and select Start. Then press Next. Select Agree and start using to use the app. Step 2. Quick Setup. The headphones need to be paired to the device if using it for the first time. Press Next. In order for the Sound Connect app to recognize the headphone, the device needs to connect to the headphones via Bluetooth first. Turn on the headphones and use the Sony Sound Connect app to connect to them. Press OK to get started. Press Go to My Device to complete the pairing. Press Get Started to start customization or later to complete the setup. Step 3. Navigate and customize. Welcome to the dashboard view of the Sony Sound Connect app. WH-1000XM5 is used for this demonstration. Depending on your headphone model and its supported features, actual settings available on the app will vary slightly. Here you can customize your sound experience depending on your preference. On the dashboard, if a new software is available for your headphones, you will be notified when you open the app, or a banner will appear at the bottom of the app. Press the three dots or the menu button on the upper right corner to check the current firmware version. It is always recommended to have the latest firmware installed. The model name and battery percentage of your Sony headphones are displayed. You can also find the ambient sound control. You can switch to 3 different modes: noise cancelling, ambient sound, off. Pressing this arrow will show you more detailed options with descriptions. For a more customized sound experience, you may adjust the equalizer. Use the preloaded presets or customize the sound to your personal preference. Another key feature of the Sony Sound Connect app is the adaptive sound control. You can tailor the headphone settings to best match your lifestyle. The app learns how you use your headphones while adaptive sound control is enabled, and switches headphone settings at the optimal time. Press the gear icon to adjust the settings. There are 4 different headphone states available, such as staying, walking, running, and in a vehicle. The settings for each state can be customized according to your preference. Check the voice pass-through box to suppress unwanted noise and only hear announcement or people's voices while listening to music. When connected to truly wireless headphones like WF-1000XM5, the Determine Optimal Earbud Tips function will be enabled. Scroll down and look for Device Settings. Go to System. Choose Determines Optimal Earbud Tips. This function allows you to choose the best earbuds tips to maximize the sound quality, noise cancelling function, and call sound quality. Select Test the wearing condition. Then wear the headphones by following the instructions on the screen. Select Start, then wait for the test to complete. If the headphones are correctly worn on your ears, and the earbud tips fit in your ears, the message "Earbud tips are airtight" is displayed. Press OK to complete the setup, otherwise press Measure again. You may visit our Sony support website for more support content or receive firmware update notifications via our Support by Sony app by scanning these QR codes above with your mobile device. Thank you for watching.